Thankfully, multimedia has come to multimedia who published that story had come to make the needful. You've withdrawn the story and apologized. I think what the minority should do is that, the financial sector has its own variabilities. And as such, if you are making commentaries about a bank, you need to be careful and you need to get your facts right. Our colleague, the minority ranking member of finance, we think he got it all wrong. He got it all wrong. It is never true that the treasury of the NIB bank is not functioning. I had mentioned to you that the situation was that some 500 million under their reign, when the NDC was in power, I don't like to do NDC and NPP, but this is a fact. Some 500 million was given to non-financial institutions. And as we speak, a lot of the money has not been recovered. A lot of the money has not been recovered. So the least our colleagues can do is to at least be careful when you are commenting about a bank that is mandated by law to help soar up and develop our industry. All of us can appreciate that we are gradually gravitating towards an election year. And so people are tempted to come and make all manner of allegations. I'm challenging the minority that if they have a better proof in terms of the management of the bank and what the board has done, if they've done anything more, they should come out and put it across. They should stop making these sweeping arguments and making sweeping allegations which does not end up to help anybody. One of the things that all of us need to help is that the bank needs recapitalization. Because if you look at their own correspondence, when the finance minister led the charge, and then sovereign guarantee was issued or was garnered through Parliament, and then the opportunity was given to GATS, the Ghana Amalgamated Trust, to lead the way to raise the necessary oxygen and the recapitalization effort. What happened was that the finance minister, the current finance minister, led the effort. Apart from the sovereign guarantee being given to GATS, the current finance minister led the effort to raise an amount of 800 million Ghana cedis, which was given to NIB. Then again, they added additional 57 million, making 857 million, which was pushed into the bank's activities and operations to soar up its profits and activities. I think that the government has done some good effort, has put in some good effort, but it still stands to reason that because of the challenges in the financial sector, the bank is still demanding some recapitalization, some more effort, some more oxygen to be given to them so that they'll be able to work and remain relevant in our industrial brand. I am not happy about the attitude of our colleagues in the minority. It is not everything that we have to play politics with. When the financial sector had its challenges and some banks had to be collapsed and all that, the effect of it affected the economy. So the least they could have done was to just investigate this matter. You can't just organize a price and tell them that the bank is being run from Canada. And then my cursory investigation revealed that that was not the case. That is also not true. Then they make an allegation that the bank has gone to hire a new building, ultra-modern building, and it's also an extra cost to the bank, blah, 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 and all that. NIB used to be at the swarming area at Accra Central. That is an area that no bank operates there. And they had entered into some barter system where the building currently they are operating. They went into some barter arrangement with the blessings of the Minister of Finance and the BOG for them to be housed at where they are now. That cannot be a political matter which should be subjected to all manner of propaganda and the likes. So, fact be told, none of the allegations has been proven. all the allegations they've leveled against the current management has not been proven. And the least they can do, I will be happy to join them if they are calling on the central government to push in more capital to the bank, because we are talking about one give, one life as a country to develop our industrial sector. And the bank's core mandate is to support our industrial drive. What the government should be encouraged and urged to do is to help in the recapitalization, but not to run down the bank. So our colleagues in the minority should stop this politicization of all matters, especially matters related to the financial sector. If they don't have the fact, they should just be patient, investigate, and get the fact before they come out. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the facts related to NIB.